Text and images are essential for any landing page. They help create a hierarchy that guides the user's attention and highlights key information. Clear headings and focal images allow users to quickly scan and focus on what's most important. Let's add and customize these elements in the SendPulse website builder. First, let's design our website's hero section, your website's first screen and main visual focus. Add an image widget to the right column and select an image from the file manager. Once added, the widget settings panel will appear automatically. You can select the fill option, which resizes your image to fill the entire block, adjusting to the height you set in pixels. Note that this may change the image proportions, or you can scale your image. In this case, your image size is resized based on the width you specify, while maintaining the original proportions. You can also add a border, shadow, rounding, and alignment to your image. To open the widget settings panel, hover over the image and click the pencil icon on the left. You can also add a scroll animation to your image to make it more interactive. To enable this, turn on the animation on scroll toggle. Choose its type, for example, fade, scale, or slide, position, and speed. At the top of your image, you'll find 4 icons for quick edits. Click an image icon to adjust your picture right in the image editor. It will allow you to make direct changes like cropping, mirroring, rotating, or adding shapes, icons, masks, text, and applying filters such as grayscale, noise, or pixelation. Click the arrow icon to replace your current image with another one. Click the pencil icon to open advanced settings. Here you can add alternative text alt text, which will display if your image doesn't load. You can also add a clickable link to direct users to other pages or resources. To add extra effects to your image, turn on the image overlay toggle and decide if you want the overlay to appear always or only on hover. With the always display condition static effect, you can choose to show text over the image or crop the image to a specific shape. For the on hover option dynamic effect, you can also show text, change images from one to another, and scale up and down. Mobile styles sync automatically, but you can disable synchronization to apply separate mobile settings if needed. Now let's edit our text. When you click on a text element, a formatting panel will appear, giving you options to enable and customize scrolling animation, as well as format the text itself. In this panel, you can select a text style, adjust the font size, remove existing formatting, make the text bold or italic, and choose letter or background colors. You can also add links, create lists, or access the HTML code for more advanced edits. Let's begin by removing any placeholder text, and then add a new widget for our description. Select the paragraph style and type in your custom text. You can also use SendPulse's seamless integration with ChatGPT to generate or enhance copy. Simply click Use AI to get started. From there, you can select how you'd like to modify your text. You can fix typos, make the text longer, adjust the tone, for example, to sound more businesslike or friendly, or even translate it into another language. Let's explore a few creative options here. Once you have the generated text, you can copy it or generate a new version. SendPulse provides 30 free attempts. You can also start a new request by entering custom prompts. You can further improve or translate your text as needed, or simply use it as is. For more details on connecting SendPulse with ChatGPT, check out the additional materials provided with this lesson. Let's now bring our next landing page block from Figma into the SendPulse builder, following our design layout. Copy your title into the corresponding block, removing any extra placeholder text. Now let's set up a course card. First, add an image, then the title, and finally the description. Since this card has a background color, copy the color code from Figma. Also, add rounded corners to your card. To edit the column style, click on the pencil icon on the right. Paste the background color code, set the rounding, add an image, and customize its appearance. Add the course title and description, and format the text to match your design style. It's helpful to add a spacer widget between elements for a balanced look. Then, adjust content alignment and internal padding. Your card is now ready. The two cards use the same basic settings, with just the content and background color differing. Therefore, to save time on the second card, copy the first column, delete any placeholder content, adjust the spacing between columns, and update the new card with a different background and image. Upload the icon you need to the file manager, then customize it to fit your design. Let's move the title and description, then customize the style to match the first card. The second card is ready. Now let's continue adding the remaining cards to this block using the same approach. Set the title and remove any unnecessary text. In the column below the header, add essential widgets: image, spacer, and text. Add your image and adjust its appearance, then paste the text and set the padding height as needed. To change the background color for an entire column, click the pencil icon, then adjust the color, rounding, and padding settings. Once your customized block is ready, copy it and remove any placeholder elements from the previous setup. According to our design, there should be spacing between the cards. Add a spacer widget and set its height.